Concurrent user, or CCU, is the total maximum number of users who can stream your applications from Eagle 3D's platform simultaneously. They don't have to be the same users. They can be any users from anywhere in the world as long as the maximum number is not exceeded. If it does exceed, then they are placed in a queue until one of the connected CCUs disconnects. So his spot is available for the next queued person to take it. For example, if you are hosting a party in your home, and your house can comfortably fit 10 people at any given time, it does not mean you can invite 10 people to your party. You could invite 50 people, but you can only have 10 people in your house at the same time. Some people might leave the party early, and that's when new people can come into the house. As long as you don't exceed 10 people at any one time, you're good. Now think of Eagle's service like your house party. Your account might have many games that people can play, but it also has a limit on how many can be played at the same time. That's the maximum CCU value. So when you choose your CCU value, you're essentially deciding on the size of your virtual house.